Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping both your workspace and the project surface. Wipe with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry so adhesion is reliable. Next, load your vinyl and set cutter speed and force based on material thickness. If you're applying to fabric, remember to mirror the design. Once cut, you weed immediately. Peel away background slowly to avoid lifting fine details. Make sure to leave the design intact on its backing so the transfer tape can pick it up cleanly. You align transfer tape over the weeded vinyl, using a hinge of low-tack tape at one edge so you can position precisely. Once positioned, press the transfer tape down and squeegee at a 45-degree angle. This pushes air out and bonds the layers. Peel the paper backing away slowly and at a low angle. If small pieces lift, lay the backing back down and re-squeegee. Remember why? Controlled pressure ensures every element transfers without distortion or trapped air. You position the taped design on the target surface and apply firm, even pressure with a squeegee, moving from the center to the edges to eliminate bubbles. Once bonded, peel the transfer tape back slowly at a low angle. If pieces resist, warm the vinyl with a heat gun or hairdryer to reactivate the adhesive. If something goes wrong, stop and reapply low heat or use fresh transfer tape, because patience and small adjustments fix most adhesion or alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.